Welcome to Pete's World of Poisonous Plants. Today let's talk about Symphoricarpos albus, otherwise known as the common snowberry. At first glance, the snowberry looks harmless, a neat little shrub with small, oval green leaves and clusters of delicate pink flowers in summer. But it's in autumn and winter that it really stands out. Those perfect round berries, white as ivory, gleaming against the bare branches, look almost edible. Almost inviting. And that, my friends, is where the danger lies. So, what exactly is hiding inside those pretty pearls of doom? The berries contain saponins, chemicals that foam like soap, and isoquinoline alkaloids, such as chelidonine. That's a nasty cocktail. The saponins attack the gut lining and even red blood cells, while the alkaloids interfere with the nervous system. If you're unlucky enough to swallow a handful, you can expect the full menu of misery: nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, dizziness, abdominal pain. And if you were foolish enough to keep eating them, perhaps under the mistaken impression that anything called snowberry must taste like sugar, the results could be far worse: slowed breathing, sedation, even coma. Now, don't get me wrong, it usually doesn't get that far. Why? Because they taste absolutely disgusting. Bitter, soapy, and generally revolting. Most people spit them out before they can do too much damage. But children don't always know better, and that's where real cases of poisoning come in. Historically, the plant was far better understood by indigenous peoples of North America. They knew the berries were dangerous, but they were clever enough to put the chemistry to work. The saponins meant the berries could be mashed up as a natural soap or used in poultices for skin problems. They even used crushed snowberries to stun fish, the toxins disrupting the fish's gills long enough to scoop them up. Practical, if a little sinister. When the plant arrived in Britain, it became a Victorian landscaping favorite. Hardy, tolerant of shade, easy to grow, and of course, those white berries added a touch of the exotic to gardens and hedgerows. Little did those gardeners know they were planting a shrub full of death pearls right by the nursery windows. Folklore has it that snowberry bushes were once planted near homes to keep evil spirits away. Imagine the irony: chasing out ghosts while inviting in vomiting children. Some even call them corpse berries or ghost pearls because of their pallid look. And to add insult to injury, the berries pop underfoot with a satisfying squeak, earning them the name popcorn bush. Victorians' children loved stamping on them in the street, blissfully unaware of the fact they were playing with poisonous ammunition. So here's the dark truth: Symphoricarpos albus is a plant that seduces with beauty but betrays with bitterness. A perfect symbol of the poison garden. It's one more reminder that nature rarely gives gifts without strings attached. If you've enjoyed exploring this sinister shrub, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. And remember, always admire poisonous plants with your eyes, never with your mouth.